So this is the IKON WSW. The key works, and let's get to picking. There are 6 pin tumblers on the top. They're not really difficult, their tips are really small, but it's more of an annoyance. Some of these pins don't engage at all. There are 3 spools, I think, but as I said, they're really easy to set. They're really shallow spools, so you're looking for just several clicks out of them. And basically that's it. Alright, I think that's all for the top. So let's change the tension to top, and let's deal with the sidebars, which is what makes these locks so difficult. Now, conveniently enough, in my lock the first fingerpin on the right binds first. So I guess that's really lucky, because it opens up a lot of space for the left side then. So let's set it. Couple of clicks out of him and he's set. Now let's move to the left side. Number 3, really high set, or you really need to lift him high. I think it's fine for now. Number 4. Seems fine for now. Or does he? No, he does. Now I have to set fingerpin 5 on the left, but there's of course fingerpin 5 on the right standing in the way. So what I do is basically I just use this half diamond to get under him and lift him once. And after that, it opens up some space for my flag to get there. Yeah. And he's set, I think, I hope. Let's check the previously set fingerpins just in case. Because if there's one thing this sidebar likes to do, it's to drop pins because of the insane tolerances. Alright, it looks fine. Now fingerpin 2. Now he's set, a little bit movement on the core. Fingerpin 1 is binding now. Click. One more. and he is loose. Yeah. And the last fingerpin to bind is number 5 on the right. I had real problems, or I still do, in lifting him up, and I use all kinds of tools I could find. I still haven't found a reliable way to do it, and I'm too lazy to make my own tools, so I'm just throwing in all I got just to lift him off the ground. Maybe now? Yeah, I lifted him. One click. Yeah, he's coming up. And now maybe I can get there with a hook under him. Come on, buddy. You can do this. Get up. Doesn't want to go up. Let's try this hook. Still binding. But I just won't move for some reason. Alright, let's try the diamond again. And we're open. Whew. Nice. There we go. All right, so let's gut this lock. First, actually, I wanted to try to show you. I don't know if I'll be successful. Maybe I will. Okay, this looks like a good angle. I wanted to just show you the difference, or what does a fingerpin in a true gate look like, or what does he behave like. Sorry, this is a bit awkward. Give me a second. Just a second. There we go. Alright, so I basically turned the lock to the stage where all of the top pins are peaked and the sidebar starts to bind. So as I said, the first pin to bind in my lock is finger pin 1 on the right, and this is awkward. And I want to set him and show you the jiggle. Yeah, there it is. Okay, sorry if it took really long because the angle is awkward, but basically this is what you are looking for. You see the little movement? This is the movement that a set finger pin does. This is the range of movement. So you can get like a hang of it the longer you work with this lock, but I had really big problems determining when a finger pin is in its true gate, so I just wanted to show you what does it look like. You know, it wasn't the best example, but you get the point. Alright, now let's get this thing. Just a second, let me adjust the angle. Okay. So I took the liberty of removing the C-clip before I started to pick this because it's a real pain in the ass. It's really tight. Alright, so this lock is not terribly difficult to get, and basically it's also difficult to break it, and I bricked my fair share of locks because I suck at gutting, but this one is kind of friendly. So you just turn the key pins, so you turn them 90 degrees to the clockwise, put it like this, and they come out quite easily, the core. First I like to remove the sidebar and the springs, and this spring will not cooperate, so maybe later. Sidebar number 2 and its springs. Let's try to remove the spring with tweezers. Actually, another nice thing about this lock is that at least my cylinder, that it won't fall off from the oopsie. That despite not having the C-clip, it holds in place. That's what I was trying to say. There it is. Alright, so let's dump the key pins. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 of them, and Where's the camera? Okay, here it is. So this is their shape. So that's why they're kinda annoying to get to, but it's nothing terrible. Alright, now let's take out the sidebar. There we go. Okay. So the fingerpins, I mean, not the sidebar. They are spring loaded, so of course you want to press your thumb on them as you slowly remove the key. Okay. And let's dump the springs. Seven springs. Now let's take a look at the finger pins. So the through gate is visible. Let me see if I can. Actually, this is a bad idea. Whatever. The through gate, this notch in there, and there are 7 false gates, as you can see. So a lot of them, and the reason why there can be so many gates is that the part of the sidebar that interacts with the finger pins is very narrow and sharp. So basically it's the bottom part of the sidebar that interacts with the finger pins. See how sharp it is, and it really bites into the false gates. So that's why you need to sometimes use a lot of force to lift the finger pins. I'm not sure if it's correct, but I think that an advantage of this, or such sharp interactive part of the sidebar, is that it's kinda hard to push the fingerprint out of a true gate. But that's not for sure, but that's just what I think. Okay, let's take the drivers out. Number 1 is a standard. Number 2 is a spool. All of the spools look like this. Nothing special about them, really short pins, nothing difficult, just annoying. Number 3, number 4, number 5, hello. Fuck, I almost lost it. Standard, and number 6, hello, standard. And let's just put this here. Come on out, buddy. Okay. Alright, so basically that's it. Maybe one more look at the core. There's nothing special about it. This is where the sidebar goes. This is where the finger pins go. the other sidebar, and yeah, the keyway. The wording is kind of annoying, but nothing too difficult. Alright, so I guess that's it for today. Maybe one more close-up on all the pins. There it is. And the sidebar, both of them. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.